இந்த வீடியோல இங்கிலீஷ் கிராமர்ல பிரேசஸ் பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த வீடியோவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. A phrase is a group of words which does not make complete. அதாவது a part of a sentence without a finite verb is called as phrase. தமிழ்ல முற்று வினை இல்லாத சொற்றொடர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் in the east. Second example at the bus stop. Third example on his success. Fourth example for his courage. Fifth example with love and care. Sixth example about my success. இதை சென்டென்ஸ்ல எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றதுன்னா praises. First example, he was praised for his courage. Second example, Nisa was very happy about my success. Kinds of phrases. Three kinds of phrases are in English grammar. முதல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா adjective phrase, second adverb phrase, third noun phrase. Adjective phrase-னா a group of words which does the work of an adjective is called as an adjective phrase. அதாவது adjectiveனா பெயர் உரி சொல். A group of words which describes an adjective is called as an adjective phrase. Example, with his wife and children. Second example, in white dress. Third example, with a powerful army. இது எப்படின்னு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the man with wife and children is my uncle. Second example, the girl in white dress is my elder sister. Third example, the king with a powerful army tried to defeat his enemy. Adverb phrase-னா வினை சொல் உரிச்சொல் தான் adverb. அந்த adverb குறிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றது தான் adverb phrase. A group of words which does the work of an adverb is called as an adverb phrase. Example பார்த்தீங்கன்னா with great speed. Second example without any care. Third example on the spot. Fourth example in those days. Fifth example in a very rude manner. Sixth example at this very moment. Seventh example in all directions. இது எப்படி எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ்ல வருதுன்னா he was driving the car with great speed. He jumped into the sea without any care. The accident took place on the spot. Fourth example, she frequently went to the temple in those days. Sixth example, I can pay the amount to you at this very moment. A noun phrase na a group of words which does the work of a noun is called as a noun phrase. நவுன்னா தெரியும் நமக்கு பெயர் சொல். அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா early to bed, to win the race, teaching English, reading books, playing cricket. இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸாம்பிள். டீட்டெயில் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா early to bed is a good habit.